Hey there! Today we are going to walk through how to create a procedure for Auto Assist. So what's a procedure? Think of it as step-by-step instructions that help Auto Assist guide agents through their work by always suggesting the next best reply or action to take, like escalating a ticket or processing a refund, without needing to look up internal documents or ping a teammate. And the payoff? Faster onboarding, fewer escalations, and more consistent customer experiences. Not sure where to start? A few quick tips. Look at your internal protocols. Those documents agents already follow. Use Explore to pick high-volume tickets that follow the same process. Check your top macros or most common intents in the Intelligent Triage dashboard. And one more tip: shadow your agents. That real-world perspective can help you figure out exactly where structured guidance can make the biggest impact. For each of these cases, remember, you are looking for patterns where a standard handling procedure should be followed. Alright, let's build one. Let's say a customer reaches out because they are having trouble with a device. Head to Knowledge Admin section, Procedures, and click Create the procedure. First up, give your procedure a clear title. It helps Auto Assist connect the right tickets to the right flow. Next, choose the brand it applies to. Then, start writing your steps. Keep it natural, like you are coaching a teammate. You can add conditions for different scenarios and even add actions like run diagnostic or create new order. Once you're done, hit preview to see how it flows. Tweak anything that feels off, and when you are happy with it, save and publish it. Now that Auto Assist can use procedures, let's see it in action. The customer was talking to an AI agent but asked to speak with a human, so the conversation was routed to the agent. Here, Auto Assist recognizes the ticket type and pops up the right answer according to the procedure. The agents just need to click Approve. And that's it. That's how you turn your internal know-how into real-time agent guidance with Auto Assist procedures. You will find some best practices right inside the procedure editor, and those are great starting points. But if you want to take things to the next level, here are a few extra tips to help you write procedures that really make Auto Assist perform even better. Make your procedures self-contained. Avoid sending agents off to see another document or referring to separate procedures. Everything they need to handle the request should be right there. Avoid talking about the procedure itself. Skip phrases like, please ensure this step is executed. Just tell the agent what to do, like tag the ticket. Start with what needs to happen, then explain how. Give context first. It helps Auto Assist reason through the situation with more flexibility. Use positive conditions. Instead of saying, if order is not present, go with, if order is missing. Positive framing makes flows easier to follow for agents and AI alike. Whenever possible, give examples. They provide Auto Assist helpful context and reduce ambiguity. That's it from us. Now you are ready to start building great procedures for Auto Assist.